Alright, so the first question in your math test review is which of the following is an example of a partial variation? So you might notice that out of all of these, C is a little bit different. This has a coefficient and a variable. M equals 9 times n, P equals 3 to the power of q, coefficient variable. But this one has K equals 9 times H minus 7, and this 7 has no variable here. It's just it's an extra part of the equation. So we can maybe tell right off the bat that C is our answer to which is the partial variation. Now the difference between a partial and a direct variation. A direct variation can be represented in an equation y equals mx. So we have our y, we have our slope, and that's going to be multiplied by x. But the b, where it intercepts the y-axis, will be 0. That's why it's not y equals mx plus something minus something. It's y equals mx. It starts off, our line, starts off at x value 0 and y value 0. And then it can increase, decrease, whatever it is. This is a direct variation. And an example of that could be Joey makes $10 per hour. He starts off 0 hours, $0. And then for every hour he works, he makes an extra $10. For a partial variation, it's a little bit different. We have our equation y equals mx plus b, and b does not equal 0. So b on this graph starts off at 10. So maybe Jimmy makes $15 a day or $10 a day, and then for every sale that he makes an extra $10. So we're starting off in a spot that isn't 0 on the y-axis, and it's increasing at a steady rate, but it doesn't start off at the 0, 0 coordinate like it would with a direct variation.